So what benefits do you get from relaxation? Well, relaxation is actually the opposite of stress. Like stress, it is a natural response system designed to relieve the body of stress. Under normal conditions, this is a natural process which the body utilizes. However, it can also be applied through relaxation techniques such as meditation whenever you choose to do so. Some characteristics of the relaxation response include: your breathing becomes slow and deep, tension decreases in the muscles, a sense of confidence and calm is experienced, organ function returns to normal, the ability to think clearly is enhanced, memory improves, you gain increased mental clarity, ability to concentrate and focus. It's easier to fall asleep and gain a better quality of sleep. You even get increased productivity during the day, and stress hormones return to normal levels. Regularly inducing the relaxation response is most effective in improving day-to-day living and results in increased control over the body's responses to stress. This can also help reduce and sometimes reverse any damage caused by stress.